I'm Kristen King, and you're watching Pink Diamond, the show where we help you find the diamonds in the rough of the pink sheet and small cap market. Now, with Christmas behind us, we have a great opportunity to use this week to look back at our stock picks over the last year. Over the past 12 months, we've used data from Trackstar IQ, our proprietary search tracking tool, to highlight 46 stocks that Wall Street investors have paid close attention to. Overall, we had 30 winners and 16 losers, with 4 of those losers being directly related to the COVID crash in March. Interestingly, of the other losing trades, the stocks, broadly speaking, have performed well or were resistant to the crash. Timing was the issue. However, as the saying goes, cut your losers and run your winners. And over the past year, the winners have been spectacular. They have an average return of 108%. In total, 7 stocks delivered over 100% in returns, so let's take a look at some of them. First up, we have NIO, which we recommended at the back end of January, and over the year, the stock has rallied 1,123%. Yes, you heard that correctly, 1,123%. NIO Limited is a Chinese company that designs, manufactures, and sells electric vehicles in China, Hong Kong, the US, UK, and Germany. The company specializes in electric SUVs and charging solutions and has a strategic collaboration with Mobileye for the development of autonomous vehicles. At the time, the stock had a market cap of $4.7 billion, which has now grown to just shy of an incredible $70 billion. Next up, we have Enzolytics, a drug development company which engages in research and development for the operations and treatment of HIV and AIDS. We reported on the stock in early October, and since then, the stock has exploded 408%, even hitting 785% highs before retracing into December. Third on the list, we have Marathon Patent Group, a Quebec-based digital asset technology company which mines cryptocurrencies with a focus on the blockchain ecosystem and the generation of digital assets. We showcased this stock in August, and it has gained 280% since, pushing its market cap from $130 million to $500 million in the space of a couple of months. Following closely behind, we have the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, another crypto-based company that has performed incredibly as the price of Bitcoin has exploded this year. Grayscale is essentially a listed entity that aims to give investors exposure to Bitcoin without having to have direct exposure themselves. We covered Grayscale in June when Bitcoin was sub $10,000. Since then, Bitcoin has doubled in price, while Grayscale has added 193%. Not bad. The final company we'll review today is VBI Vaccines, a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the development of vaccines for infectious disease and immuno-oncology. Now, in the COVID age, it seems logical that a vaccine firm would prove successful. However, this pick came in early January before COVID was COVID. The stock returned 145%, rallying from $1.37 per share in January to where it is now. That's all we have time for this week, and we look forward to catching up with you in the new year to start mining those pink diamonds all over again. To find out more about our Trackstar IQ data, sign up to our free newsletter at investingchannel.com/trackstar. Small and micro-cap stocks can be high-risk investments, so before you make any decisions, please ensure you do your own due diligence.